As we all know, artificial intelligence and machine learning is growing so fast. Now anything is possible. Today I have come up with a surprise AI tool, guys. Every single person who is watching this video who is having WhatsApp, just you will have to do one task that you will have to integrate this AI tool with your WhatsApp, and you can ask any question you want and they will reply you with mind-blowing answers. So let's see how it works. So firstly, you need to come to this website, Gombe AI. I have given the link in the description. So then you will have to click on open in WhatsApp. So click on that and it will open like that. Hi Gombe. Just you will have to send the message. And now it get us started. You can ask any question you want. So let me ask one question. So I have given the prompt. So let's see if it works or not. It took hardly 3 seconds and the answer is ready, guys. Now you can ask any questions you want from this AI tool, guys. So this is really amazing. Now you can access chatbot in your WhatsApp, guys. So this is unbelievable. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. All the best.